Hey yo! What's up mga idol? It's me Rems again at welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. So kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell para always kang updated sa mga panibago kong ina-upload. So for today's video mga idol ay nais ko lang ibahagi katapos lang na championship game namin ni Otol Diyos Wabisana. Champion kami din mga idol. Share ko lang. So gusto ko lang po i-upload para makadagdag na din sa aking hinahabol na watch hour. And then syempre memories na din. Basketball po, Indra Purok. Champion po kami doon. So huwag na natin patagalin mga idol. Pero quick intro muna tayo.
Garcia po na yung pass. Pass to Bisana. Pinasalalim pa rin. 2 points by Green. Pagkakapi pa rin. Pass na kay Bisana. Bisana po 2 points. Pass to Garcia. Garcia pass to Bisana. Bisana ngayon ng pamadali. Bisana po 2 points. 2 points. Baseball pass to Bisana. Bisana 2 points. Pass to Green, pass to Garcia. Garcia ngayon, pass sa lalim kay Bisana. Bisana, 2 points. Bisana, pass to Bisana. Tungkol, iba. Bisana, kaya kay Bisana. Touch, iba rin. Baseball pass kay Bisana. 2 points. Kay Bisana. Pinalay ba? Baseball pass to Bisana. 2 points. Basket down and one.
Jutay pa wara.
Bila na ba? For first quarter. Bisana for the bonus shot. No good. Rebound. Oh, defense back. Rebound out Bisana. Bisana nagmamadali. Baseball pass to Lario ngayon. Pass to Bisana. Pass to Lario sa ilalim. 2 points by pass to Bisana.
Wala.
2 points. Balbuena na nagmamadali. Oh, pass to Bisana. 2 points by Bisana. Still by Lario. Ibang kay Bisana. Pass to Lario. Ibaya. Pass to Bisana. Bisana for 2 points. No good. Ibang kay Villar. Ibaya. Pass to Bisana. Bisana. 2 points. Ikaw. Pinamalas na yun ang mga taga-santol. Ano na nila na magmalam? Sila kasi sa mulod. Prestige. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Bisana sa ilalim. 2 points. Bisana. Bisana sa malasa. Stop nila. 2 points. Hindi na pass to Villar. Pass to Cabanas. Cabanas. Pass to Bisana. Bisana. Pass to Lario. Lario for 2 points. It's 2 points. Abot-abot tayo. 2 points. Lario. Last 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Remaining for the fourth quarter. 2 points. Pass to Bisana. Pass to Lario sa ilalim. Ang ganda ng pasa. 2 points. Kasunod na. Congratulations po.
Champion. Congrats, Star Apple.
Shake hands, players. Okay, congratulations to both teams. We have a champion, Star Apple 2.
Yay.
First runner-up, we have Purok Santon.
Congrats, Purok Star Apple.
Okay guys, ikaw na nag-iwan sa balok kay awarding si Iski. Dito po awarding kita. And same certificate of appreciation is given to Purok Santon. May pinanalo Santon kay teamwork talaga. Pinanalo ng mga players, may disiplina talaga. Dili nagahalik, minkas dili tapos. Five! So pag pinasa ko pa, magpakanilang, meeting of 6 kaya may mga deserving players. For meeting at 5, we have from Purok Santon, Emerald Pilar. Palakpak natin. From Purok Star Apple 2, Amos Pisana.
Shit.
Hi, si Amos. John Paul Bengar para Purok Santon.
Dali lang.
Okay, for our second runner-up, we have no other than Purok Pangga. Okay, Purok Pangga. For the year 2025 SK Summer Basketball, we have Purok Star Apple 2.
Champion.
Okay, Star Apple. You have a certificate of recognition and trophy. Okay, and we have MVP, Most Valuable Player for SK Summer Basketball Tournament 2025 is no other than sino kaya sa Purok Star Apple 2? Si Jan? Sino? Sino yung Most Valuable Player? So we have John Ariel Lauriu. Alakpakan natin. Ayan na si John Ariel. So, mayroon ng trophy, certificate, ay see.